It's time to crunch the numbers, and as you prepare your taxes, there are a few things you're going to want to keep in mind. For starters, tax rates have not changed from last year. Congress extended them through 2012. Those of you looking to finally cash in on that home energy credit, this is your last chance.
Congress has allowed one more year for people to take advantage of that credit if they did not take advantage of it in the last 5 years. It's now $500, but last chance if they had any of that kind of stuff last year.
If you have been busy swiping that credit card this year, you could be in for some changes as well. Businesses and people are going to be responsible for reporting high-volume activity.
If businesses have had, or persons for that matter, have had significant activity in their merchant credit card accounts, I think it is if they've had more than $20,000 in merchant activity and more than 200 transactions, they are going to get this form this year that's going to show the activity they had.
Some good news for business owners. Lawmakers increased tax breaks to encourage businesses to hire disabled veterans, an important change as more and more Americans return home from overseas.
Qualified disabled veterans, there was always a credit out there for employers who would hire them. Well, they've been beefed up. It's now for qualified veterans who've been unemployed for as little as 4 weeks. And then there's even a greater credit if they've been unemployed for 6 months and you hire them. So employers should be very aware of that.
A final thought for those of you who have your taxes done by a professional: don't be afraid to ask questions. Experts say deductions can be easily overlooked.
The best way to take advantage of all the deductions is just don't assume that the tax preparer knows. Typically, we'll do most of our returns in an interview format, so the client is sitting there and we can ask the questions. But you should, when a person's getting their tax return done, they should end the interview or end the preparation of it with, "Hey, is there anything I could have done to have saved some taxes?"